Hello world, it's October 7th, 2025. Welcome to a new edition of Cyber Briefing by Cyber Material. Cyber Alerts brought to you by 911 Cyber. XWorm 6.0 returns with over 35 plugins and stronger data theft capabilities. Rhadamanthys Stealer evolves with device fingerprinting and PNG steganography payloads. Steam and Microsoft warn of Unity flaw that could expose gamers to cyberattacks. Cyber incidents brought to you by 911 Cyber. Red Hat data breach escalates as ShinyHunters join in new extortion attempt. Threat actors claim breach of Huawei technologies, source code, and internal tools. Cyber news brought to you by 911 Cyber. Security firm exposes role of Beijing Research Institute in China's cyber operations. This cyber briefing was produced with Saint, your artificial intelligence newscaster. For more headlines, visit cybermaterial.com.